Orion's Belt. Dear Ascending Family, this month we dig deeper into the dismantling of the complex AI systems that were running the Orion matrix, which was connected to Orion's belt and was gaining power from multiple human Holocaust histories connected to the Orion War timelines. The third stage of the cosmic dragon awakening during the summer solstice of 2022 addressed the ancient ninth dimensional Essene tribe Tibetan Buddhist gateways being controlled by the Nibiruan nets in the wall of time that were being administered by the top levels of the ninth dimensional AI machinery program, Kronos. Further, this ninth dimensional AI machinery Kronos was functioning as the master control programming for the multidimensional systems of sextant, matrix, and fallen angelic timekeeper mechanisms that are used for the negative alien agenda for the management and manipulation of timelines. Segments of this master AI control system were being administered by the highest level Thubanites in the Draco constellation and their subordinate AI hybrid factions of the Orion group located in Orion's belt. The victorious event of defeating the ninth dimensional AI machinery and enforcing nets in Nibiru Wormwood finally freed the original universal Melchizedek Logos in his Syrian Maharaji blue human body, which began the series of actions required for the emergence of Elasa Melchizedek and the Elation Sun. The cosmic twinned universal Melchizedek sons are the organic consciousness divine counterparts and the original God parents that created the threefold founder flames of the solar rishi that make up this universal time matrix. The long-awaited reunion of the two suns during the previous winter's solstice caused a series of major planetary events that catalyzed several solar plasma transmissions from the Raisha worlds opening into the elation fields, weaving cosmic mother's Elasa sun coating into the ultraviolet layers of the magnetosphere. This threw the alien crafts stationed in the upper atmosphere out of orbit when the artificial electromagnetic layers connected to the planetary magnetic field weakened and collapsed as the complete dimensional merge between the 22nd dimension and 23rd dimensional layers completed. Then the emerald capstone was crowned into the universal emerald rod, finalizing the merge into the 24th dimension. With the newly available cosmic Melchizedek blue sun triple solar masculine hosting shield, along with Elasa and access into the elation fields, the restoration of authentic Melchizedek blueprint records brought deeper comprehension of the Orion Group's alien machinery called Orion Matrix and its many wormholes connected in Orion's belt. Orion Matrix AI had fail-safe programs blended with multiple other AI systems that were covert and hard to track, as the system had several back doors built in for survival of the AI's master programs running in Orion's belt. This section of Orion Matrix AI was designed to reformat itself through Orion War and Electrical War's timeline histories to boot up automatically in case its main server location was destroyed. It also appeared to have a master control access on the planet, underground Westminster Abbey, and Cleopatra's Needle in London. The Orion's Belt Alien Machinery Complex is another Pindar, Thoth, Azazel artificial technology network that was utilizing the Emerald Founder records and cloned Azurite identities to generate false holograms in the phantom timelines that appear as the original solar Rishik founders, similar to the findings during the Thuban reclamation last year. The Emerald Order, Amethyst Order, and Gold Order imposter inorganic consciousness architecture was embedded in Thothian AI systems connected to each star in Orion's belt, designed to emulate the falsified threefold founder flames of the unified solar dragon king body of the solar Rishi and the Melchizedek lineages. The authentic solar Rishi sun star bodies and Melchizedek patriarchal lineages were cloned out in the artificial Tree of Life phantom timelines, and their inverted, mirrored holographic imagery was used to place energetic overlays upon power elite identities of the negative alien agenda's preferred genetic lineages that comprise the Luciferian or satanic alien hybridized bloodlines. This particular site in Orion's belt is the basis of assorted looking glass programs that contain Project Bluebeam and Project Starbeam technologies that were given to the controllers on the Earth's surface by the Orion Group to project extensive holograms of fake alien invasions, nuclear wars, or assorted religious icons or spiritual figures into the upper atmosphere, depending upon the agenda chosen to mind control the population. Additionally, the solar Rishik imposters stationed in Orion's belt were holding an extensive network of eighth-dimensional artificial wormholes connected into the 11th dimensional Typhon tunnels that were functioning as an artificial umbilicus system or inserted artificial silver cords which linked into the planet's collective human tribal records and monitored all of the invading races' modified gene pools or hybrids being claimed in ownership by their assigned false father alien gods. This is a group hybrid soul routing process during the death passage, in which those identified by genetic library implants are claimed by the assorted factions of the negative alien agenda groups that have been involved in the genetic modification or hybridization with certain groups of human lineages along with the main Luciferian bloodlines of the power elites. Thus, this discovery of the extensive false umbilicus network used as a soul harvesting mechanism came with the realization that Orion's belt was the source of an extensive negative alien agenda false umbilicus network using artificial magenta violet silver cords and red cube magenta pink entities that mimic or clone the pink diamond sun presence of the Amethyst Order Holy Father. The false umbilicus is an artificial energy cord generated by wormhole technology to attach into human souls that have been tricked into worshiping them through inverted practices taught by organized religion, inverted spiritual beliefs, or through blood sacrifice. The negative alien agenda's goal was to achieve the total disconnection of humanity and the planet from the eternal living light of the cosmic Holy Father presence, along with the insertion of a false king of tyranny, archetypal, dark force, or archon, wearing the cloned alien version of AI Father God to take his place.